Imagine driving an SUV that doesn't just look tough, but actually stands the test of time. No sudden breakdowns, no endless repair bills, just smooth performance year after year. Some SUVs are built so well that owners swear they'd buy them all over again without a second thought. In today's video, we're counting down the top 9 SUVs that deliver exactly that: reliability, comfort, and long-term value that make every mile worth it. But which model truly deserves the crown, and which one might surprise you the most? Stick around, because you won't want to miss this list. When it comes to SUVs, not every model lives up to the hype. Some look great in the showroom, but struggle on the road after just a few years. And then there are those rare SUVs that go beyond expectations, vehicles that blend style, strength, and reliability so well that they become fan favorites around the world. From trusted household names like Toyota and Honda to luxury powerhouses like Lexus and BMW, automakers are constantly competing to deliver the perfect balance of performance, comfort, and long-term value. But here's the real challenge. With so many options on the market, how do you know which SUVs are actually worth your hard-earned money? That's where this list comes in. Today, we're highlighting 9 SUVs that not only hold up under pressure, but also deliver a driving experience owners say they'd happily choose again. We'll break down how these SUVs stand apart, whether it's their rugged design, smooth ride quality, advanced safety, or proven track record for lasting years without costly repairs. And trust, some of the names on this list may surprise you. So, let's dive in and see which SUVs truly earn the title of Buy Once, Drive Forever. Let's kick off the list with SUVs that prove why reliability and smart engineering never go out of style. At number 9, we have the Toyota Highlander. This family favorite combines 3-row seating with Toyota's legendary dependability. The exterior has a confident stance, while inside you'll find a cabin designed with comfort in mind. Plush seats, intuitive infotainment, and just enough cargo space for a weekend getaway. But what really seals the deal is its bulletproof V6 engine and hybrid option that stretches your fuel budget further. The Highlander isn't the flashiest SUV, but for many buyers, that's exactly why it's such a safe, long-lasting choice. Next up is the Honda CR-V, sitting at number 8. Compact yet spacious, this SUV strikes the perfect balance between daily convenience and adventure readiness. The CR-V's turbocharged engine offers surprising punch, while the interior feels far more premium than its price tag suggests. Add Honda's solid track record for longevity, and it's no wonder the CR-V regularly tops resale value charts. But wait until you hear which SUV later in the list takes value for money to an entirely new level. Coming in at number 7, the Lexus RX proves that luxury doesn't have to mean constant trips to the mechanic. With its sleek design, whisper-quiet cabin, and silky smooth ride, the RX has been winning over buyers for years. It's the kind of SUV that makes even a traffic jam feel bearable. And since it's backed by Toyota engineering, you get peace of mind that most luxury brands can't promise. But is it the most durable luxury SUV out there? Stick around. You'll want to see what ranks higher. At number 6, we meet the Subaru Outback. Technically a crossover, but one with rugged DNA. Standard all-wheel drive, generous ground clearance, and a reputation for surviving brutal winters make the Outback a legend in colder climates. Picture yourself gliding through snow-covered roads while still enjoying heated seats and a panoramic sunroof. That's the Outback experience. Surprisingly, it's not the only off-road capable SUV in our countdown. Moving into the top 5, the Toyota 4Runner shows us what true'd like. Built on a truck-like frame, the 4Runner is practically indestructible. Owners boast about hitting 3,000 miles and still feeling ready. It's not the most modern SUV. You won't find cutting-edge infotainment here. But if your priority is a machine that simply won't quit, the 4Runner is a beast. And yet, the SUV at number 3 has an equally impressive survival story. At number 4, we have the Mazda CX-5. Stylish, sporty, and surprisingly upscale, the CX-5 proves you don't need to compromise fun for practicality. Its sharp handling makes twisty roads exciting, while the interior design feels lifted from a luxury brand. Add Mazda's reputation for building solid, dependable cars, and you've got a compact SUV that's as smart as it is beautiful. But the bit's still ahead. Now we've reached the point you've been waiting for, the top 3 SUVs you'll never regret buying. And here's where things are really interesting. At number 3 sits the Honda Pilot. On paper, it's just another mid-size family SUV. But once you get behind the wheel, you realize why owners swear by it. The spacious 3-row interior makes long trips comfortable for everyone, and the V6 engine delivers just the right power without fuel. More importantly, the Pilot is few SUVs in its class that consistently lasts over 200,000 miles with minimal repairs. The drawback? It's not the most stylish SUV out there, but if dependability is your top priority, it's a no-brainer. Number 2 is the Toyota Land Cruiser, a legend in its own right. This SUV has been tested in some of the harshest conditions on Earth, from desert heat to Rocky Mountain trails, and it just keeps going. Drivers praise it for its indestructible build and commanding road presence. The downside? It's pricey, and fuel economy isn't exactly wallet-friendly. But if you want a vehicle that feels more like a lifetime investment, the Land Cruiser sets the standard. And finally, at number 1, the Toyota RAV4. It may surprise some of you, but year after year, this compact SUV tops customer satisfaction charts. Why? Because it nails the perfect balance. Efficient engines, easy-to-drive size, rock-solid reliability, and resale value that few competitors can touch. Families love it, commuters love it, and even adventure seekers trust it on long road trips. The RAV4 isn't the flashiest SUV, but it proves that sometimes the smartest choice is also the simplest. So there you have it, the turning point where expectations meet reality. But which of these SUVs truly offers the best value for money, and which one should you put on your shortlist right now? Let's break it down in the final verdict. So, what have we learned from this countdown of the top 9 SUVs you'll never regret buying? The answer is simple. The best SUVs aren't always the flashiest or the most expensive. They're the ones that quietly deliver year after year, without constant repairs, without draining your wallet, and without losing their charm after the new car smell fades. If you're a family buyer looking for space and peace of mind, the Honda Pilot and Toyota Highlander are near-perfect fits. For those who want a touch of luxury without sacrificing reliability, the Lexus RX and Mazda CX-5 strike a beautiful balance. Adventure seekers who face snow, dirt, or rocky trails will find their match in the Subaru Outback or the rugged Toyota 4Runner. And if you're dreaming of a vehicle built like a tank, the Land Cruiser is still the gold standard. But when it comes to overall value, the SUV that fits almost everyone's lifestyle, the Toyota RAV4 shines at the top. It's affordable, efficient, durable, and holds resale value like few others can. It may not turn heads like a luxury badge, but it's the kind of SUV that will keep you smiling long after the monthly payments are gone. What makes this list powerful is how it reflects the current US market. Buyers today are smarter, looking for cars that are practical, long-lasting, and worth the investment. These SUVs prove that the industry's future isn't just about flashy tech or oversized grills. It's about vehicles that actually earn your trust on the road. So here's the big question. Which of these SUVs would you put in your driveway, and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because your experience might help another buyer make the right choice. And if you found this list helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow car lovers, and subscribe for more reviews that help you buy smarter, not harder.